A Russian military transport aircraft, an Antonov An-26, has crashed in occupied Crimea, according to the Russian Ministry of Defense. All 27 passengers and 3 crew members on board were killed. The incident occurred on the evening of March 31st, while the aircraft was reportedly carrying out a planned flight over the peninsula. Preliminary information indicates that several senior officers were among those on board, suggesting the flight may have been connected to personnel transport between military facilities. Russian authorities stated that there was no evidence of external interference and that the crash was most likely caused by a technical malfunction. According to initial assessments, the aircraft lost control before striking rocky terrain. The plane reportedly went down in the Belbek Valley, a mountainous area in southern Crimea not far from military infrastructure, including airbases used by Russian forces. Emergency services and search and rescue teams were quickly dispatched to the crash site, where they located the wreckage scattered across difficult terrain. Due to the nature of the impact and subsequent fire, there were no survivors. The Antonov An-26 is a twin-engine turboprop aircraft widely used by the Russian military for transporting personnel, cargo, and equipment, particularly in frontline and occupied regions. Although considered reliable, many of these aircraft are decades old, raising ongoing concerns about maintenance and technical safety. Aviation experts have previously pointed to aging fleets and high operational tempo as factors increasing the risk of such incidents. An official investigation has been launched to determine the exact cause of the crash. Specialists are expected to analyze flight data, maintenance records, and communications prior to the incident. The loss of the aircraft and its passengers represents one of the more serious aviation incidents involving Russian forces in the region in recent months.